Hi, and welcome to the no battery hack for the Fingerprint combo lock that you can get at Amazon for your exterior doors. That's an extension that I've hooked up to. I took an old USB cable that the cat ate the end off of and an extension. And here's you take the screw to access it. This is for the issue when it gets cold and the thing just beeps because the battery's died. And, there's a hole in the back that screws that you're able to get in there and slightly see where the wires are soldered in there. Took you back in time to where I was soldering it. There's the battery connectors that I soldered onto, and if you're curious or not sure, just look at the back of the batteries and it'll say minus and plus, and that is the adapter. Now you no longer need batteries. Hope you found this useful. Please hit like and subscribe so I can make you some more of these videos. Have a good day.